Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install Mozilla Firefox on Windows 11. Type Firefox download in browser search bar. Click Download Firefox browser. Click Download Firefox. Open downloaded file. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.